at x equals to 4. Okay, all right, so the last one needs you to know something called differentiation. So if we want to find a tangent to the curve as y equals to mx plus c at x equals to 4, we need to find when we have an equation of a line here, you need the value of m and you need to find the value of c. When you have a polynomial function like this one, all right, x cubed minus blah blah blah. Oh, I forgot the square here, right? And you want to find the gradient, right? If you want to find the gradient m, there is a way to find this called differentiation, right? So we can differentiate the function y here, so dy dx. So this is a differentiation, and to do a differentiation is actually for polynomial functions like this is actually quite simple. Let me give you an example. So if you have y equals to x to the power of actually 2x to the power of 5, the general rule that we want to do is when y equals to x to the power of n, the differentiation dy dx, which is the same thing as gradient, is just n times x to the power of n minus 1. So you're just taking this power and bringing this down and then reducing it by 1. So if you look at our function here, the 2 is just, we leave the 2 for now. We're taking down the 5 to here, so times 5 x, and then we reduce the power by 1, so it becomes to the power of 4. So this is 10x 4. So if you have a polynomial function, to find the gradient is just to do this differentiation here. This is the power rule. You're going to use it again and again and again. It's very, very important. So let's go through the ones that we have. So if we have x cubed, the differentiation of this first part is we just move the 3 down, so that's 3x, and reduce the power by 1, so 3x squared. Minus 4 is already there. Put the 2 down, times 2, and then x squared becomes x to the power of 1 plus 4x, so this is x to the power of 1, so that's 4 times 1. X to the power of 0 is just 1. So this is 3x squared minus 8x plus 4. So this is your differentiation. Again, differentiation will always give you the gradient. Now they tell us to at x equals to 4, the tangent at x equals to 4. So what we need to find is the gradient when x equals to 4, dy dx, which again is your gradient at x equals to 4, equals to 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 4. 4 squared is 16 times 3 is 48 minus 32 plus 4. 48 plus 2 is 52. 52 minus 32 is 20. So this is our m. Next, we want to find our c. So the tangent means it's going to whatever this y, whatever the m and c is, the tangent means it's going to meet this curve here. So this y should be the same as that y, and this x should be the same as all of these x's. So if we take this equation, y equals to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x, when x equals to 4, so when x equals to 4, the y will be 4 cubed minus 4 squared plus 4x. Oh god, what's 4 squared? That's 64 minus 64 plus, oh, this should be 4 plus 16, so that's 16. So when x equals to 4, y equals to 4. So if we look at our equation again, y equals to mx plus c. We already know the m is 20. We know our x is at 4, and we know our y is 16. So 16 equals to 20 times 4 plus c. 16 equals to 80 plus c. So 16 minus 80 equals to c, which is 64 minus 64. So the equation of the line y equals to mx plus p are m is 20, x plus c is minus 64. So this is the equation of line that's a tangent. Okay, I'm guessing you may have not learned differentiation yet. It's actually quite simple once you get a hang of it. Let me know if you have any questions.